Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by judging damage and protecting yourself. Aluminum looks white and powdery when corroded. Once assessed, remove loose flakes with a soft brush and then scrub gently with mild detergent to remove oils and grime. Make a 1:10 vinegar solution and test a small spot to confirm it brightens aluminum without pitting. Work methodically from edges inward, changing rags when contaminated. Make sure to rinse thoroughly as you go, because residue left behind will interfere with later treatments and coatings. After initial cleaning, attack the stubborn oxide with light mechanical action. Use 180-320 grit sandpaper or a non-steel abrasive pad and follow the metal grain to avoid gouges. Once the oxide is gone, neutralize acids by rinsing with a weak baking soda solution or use a citric acid dip, then rinse with plenty of fresh water. Make sure to dry immediately with clean towels and compressed air to remove trapped moisture, because any remaining water will restart corrosion beneath coatings and inside crevices. Finish by applying an aluminum-specific corrosion inhibitor or self-etching primer, then top coat with paint or clear coat for a long-lasting barrier. Make sure each layer dries per product instructions. For critical parts, consider anodizing or fitting sacrificial anodes to shift corrosion away from the aluminum. Inspect regularly for chips or seal failures and touch up immediately. If corrosion returns quickly, check for dissimilar metal contact or trapped moisture. Correcting galvanic coupling or drainage issues is the key troubleshooting step to prevent repeat corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.